Are you ready to have your mind blown with some seriously strange and bizarre facts? From ancient chewing gum to headless cockroaches, these 10 facts will leave you laughing and amazed. Get ready to have your world turned upside down with 10 bizarre facts that will have you laughing out loud. Fact number 1. The world's oldest piece of chewing gum is over 9,000 years old. That's right, this ancient chewing gum was found in Finland and is made from birch bark tar. Not only is it the oldest piece of chewing gum in the world, but it's also the only one of its kind. This ancient gum is a testament to the long history of chewing gum and the various materials that have been used to make it. It's truly amazing to think that people have been chewing gum for over 9,000 years. Fact number 2. A small child could swim through the veins of a blue whale. The veins of a blue whale are so large that a small child could easily fit inside of them. In fact, the largest veins of a blue whale are around the size of a small car. While it's certainly not advisable to try and swim through a blue whale's veins, it's interesting to consider the sheer size of these majestic creatures. It's no wonder that blue whales are considered the largest animals on Earth. Their veins alone are larger than many animals. Fact number 3. A cockroach can live for several weeks without its head. It's a strange and somewhat disturbing fact, but it's true. Cockroaches are able to survive without their heads because they don't require oxygen to breathe through their mouths like humans do. Instead, they have tiny tubes called tracheae that allow them to breathe and circulate air throughout their bodies. While a headless cockroach may not be able to eat or drink, it can still survive for several weeks by using stored energy and nutrients. It's truly amazing how resilient these creatures can be. Fact number 4. A single coffee tree produces enough beans in 1 year to make about 40 cups of coffee. Coffee trees are known for their high yield, with some trees producing up to 10 pounds of coffee beans per year. That's a lot of caffeine. The number of beans a tree produces can vary based on factors such as the tree's age, the type of coffee plant, and the growing conditions. But on average, a single tree can produce enough beans to make a significant dent in your daily coffee intake. So the next time you brew a cup of coffee, take a moment to appreciate the hard work of the coffee trees that made it possible. Fact number 5. A group of hedgehogs is called a prickle. It's a quirky and fitting name for these spiky creatures. Hedgehogs are known for their sharp quills, which they use for defense against predators. While they may seem prickly and unfriendly, hedgehogs are actually quite social animals and can often be found living in groups. A group of hedgehogs is called a prickle, a term that perfectly captures their unique physical characteristics. So the next time you see a group of hedgehogs, you can impress your friends by using their proper collective noun. Fact number 6. The shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. Zanzibar surrendered after just 38 minutes. This brief conflict, known as the Anglo-Zanzibar War, lasted only 38 minutes. Despite its brevity, the war resulted in the deaths of around 500 people. The conflict arose after the Sultan of Zanzibar, Sultan Khalid bin Bargash, refused to accept the demands of the British government. As a result, the British launched an attack on the Sultan's palace, leading to a quick and decisive victory. The war ended with the signing of a peace treaty, which resulted in Zanzibar becoming a British protectorate. Fact number 7. The world's largest snowflake on record was 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. This massive snowflake was reported to have fallen in Montana in 1887. While there are some who question the accuracy of this record, it remains one of the most well-known examples of an exceptionally large snowflake. Snowflakes can vary greatly in size, shape, and structure, with some being as small as a grain of salt and others being as large as a plate. The size of a snowflake is influenced by factors such as temperature, humidity, and wind conditions. So the next time you see a snowflake, take a moment to appreciate the unique and intricate beauty of these winter wonders. Fact number 8. A flea can jump up to 200 times its own body length. That's the equivalent of a human jumping the length of a football field. Fleas are known for their impressive jumping ability, which they use to move from host to host. They are able to jump such great distances thanks to their powerful legs and the fact that they can store energy in a small pad of elastic protein called resolin. Fleas are also able to control the direction and angle of their jumps, making them highly efficient at finding a new host. So the next time you see a flea, be amazed by the incredible feats of strength and agility that it is capable of. Fact number 9. During the Great Fire of London in 1666, people believed that they could stop the fire from spreading by blowing up houses with gunpowder. In reality, this only made the fire worse. This was a desperate attempt to create firebreaks and prevent the flames from spreading throughout the city. While the intention was good, the use of gunpowder ended up making the fire worse. The explosion caused the fire to spread even more quickly, leading to even more destruction. The Great Fire of London was a devastating event that destroyed much of the city and left many people homeless. It's a reminder of the destructive power of fire and the importance of having proper safety measures in place. Fact number 10. A single strand of spaghetti is called a spaghetto. It's a fun and unique term that is used to describe a single strand of spaghetti. Spaghetti is a type of pasta that is made from wheat flour and water. It is a staple food in many parts of the world and is enjoyed in a variety of dishes, from classic spaghetti and meatballs to more creative dishes like spaghetti carbonara or spaghetti bolognese. The word spaghetti is derived from the Italian word spaghetto, which means string. So the next time you enjoy a bowl of spaghetti, think of it as a collection of spaghetti strings or spaghettis. As we come to the end of this journey of bizarre and unusual facts, we hope that you've been entertained and amazed by the strange and wonderful aspects of our world. From ancient chewing gum to headless cockroaches, these facts have shown us that the world is full of surprises and that there is always more to learn. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, and we hope that you'll join us again for more intriguing and unusual facts in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. And if you want to see more great content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new videos.